What a great sky! So many cultures have looked up at the skies and know how to interpret it.
Alka, hello. How are you? I'm from the Barona Band of Mission Indians.
I'm Ramona from...
Wait, let me guess. Ramona? From the town of Ramona. I've heard about you.
Yes, I've heard about you too. Nice to meet you too. Barona is not far from my town.
Yes, and we share this beautiful sky. You know, the stories of my people are written in the stars. We've been watching and learning from them for generations. See that group of stars over there? We call it Shlik Kusura. It's our word for racer snake. They are red and black, representing both male and female. They are important for balance within the universe.
Beautiful. Balance is essential. That sounds fascinating. Let's go to Ramona so we can chat more. I love this place. This is the Gaibi Woodward Museum. They always say nice things about me.
That's great. Let's go inside and hear what the museum director has to share.
Welcome to the Ramona Museum. Do you know why our town is called Ramona? The story goes that we got our name from a book written by Helen Hunt Jackson about an orphan girl named Ramona.
Hey, that's me.
The novel was hugely popular and helped establish our unique identity.
Isn't that great? It's always good to feel connected to something bigger. Speaking of the world, have you noticed how things have changed? And I don't just mean the cars replacing horse-drawn carriages. I'm talking about the air, the climate. It feels different, doesn't it?
I know exactly what you mean. We've been getting more heat waves, and the temperatures just keep rising. Back in the day, most people worked outdoors. Many still do. Whoa, did you see that? It's like the wind is alive.
Yes, these are Santa Ana winds. They have a mind of their own. They've been known to fan wildfires and dry everything out in just a few hours. Some people call them devil winds.
Look, the water is already drying up. It's like the air is thirsty too. I heard that is one of the reasons for the planned energy shutoffs.
Yes, with strong winds, power lines can spark fires, so shutting off power saves lives. But it's not easy for everyone. Some families need power for medical devices or staying cool.
This heat is dangerous, sending many to the hospital, especially the elderly and kids. Just like you and me, we're spending less time outside, and I love being outdoors.
See that thermometer near the well?
Yep, it's over 100 degrees. It's so hot out here.
The devil winds make everything dry and our skin itchy. And when it's this hot, the vegetation dries out, creating the perfect conditions for wildfires. A warning to be ready for what might come next.
Oh no! Is that smoke coming up that mountain?
It's a chain reaction with cascading effects. Heat waves, dry vegetation, wildfires. And then we see more respiratory problems.
And look at this. We can barely see anything. Even crossing the street becomes dangerous when visibility is this bad.
Watch out! We better get out of the street. Let's go somewhere safe for now.
Can we visit Barona? I'd really like to go.
Of course.
Look, the sun is rising. Wow. This is so beautiful. So much open space, cool mountains, and so much sky. Is that the Barona Museum? I heard it has an incredible experience about your origins.
You're right. Our cultural center and museum are special. They are important places to learn about our traditions and culture. You know, when something happens in Ramona, it's likely to affect Barona too, and vice versa.
I don't know about you, but I feel it is getting hot here. Even the asphalt looks like it could melt. I bet you could fry an egg here.
You have a great spirit. We do need parking around here, but all that asphalt only makes it hotter. Now imagine working in agriculture or doing anything outdoors. It's very dangerous. A heat wave can also cause power outages and disrupt essential services due to the strain on the power grid from increased demand for cooling.
Heat waves can also lead to droughts and impact our water supply.
Without water, well, everything suffers. People, animals, crops.
Look! The smoke is arriving over the mountains. Oh no! I can see the fire over the hills. What should we do?
We may have to end our conversation sooner than I hoped. Let's get ready to evacuate. Wait, I think it's starting to rain.
Look! The rain is putting out the fire. We got really lucky this time.
Even the rain, which is life-giving, is now something we worry about. When we experience heavy rains, it can cause floods, which bring their own problems.
It's like that chain reaction you mentioned earlier. One issue leads to another, affecting us all.
Exactly. You get it. Let me show you something. Here's a real example when it floods. The main road in Barona gets cut off, and access to Ramona is affected as well. Our only access is cut off. Nothing can get through, not even fire trucks.
That must be a huge problem. No ambulance, no fire truck access. What if something happens?
Sometimes it does. See the fire truck? When we have flood warnings like today, we park it on the other side of the road, just in case. It's one of the many challenges we're facing due to climate change.
Can we go back to Ramona for a quick bit? I want to see how the rains are affecting the town.
Of course.
Good. The rain is stopping. Floods affect the people of Ramona a great deal as well.
Our communities are truly connected.
I was listening to you and thinking we should start talking about solutions. Education is key. It can make a big difference in addressing climate change. That I know for sure.
That's right, Ramona. I was thinking the same. Let's talk about some other ideas to improve things.
First off, planting more trees in Ramona and Barona would help.
Great idea.
Look at the trees. They look great, don't they?
Let's head back to the museum to explore other solutions. What if we upgraded our early warning systems in case of wildfires? We can make our evacuation routes better in case of emergencies, including planning for alternative routes and road improvements.
I love that.
And how about improving air quality and reducing greenhouse gas emissions that are warming our planet?
I heard that the greenhouse gas effect happens when gases like carbon dioxide trap the sun's heat in our atmosphere, making the earth warmer than it would be otherwise.
Much like how a greenhouse growing plants works when heat enters. And using renewable energy and batteries can also reduce our emissions.
Oh, and what about electric vehicles? We can also walk, bike, skate, or scoot to areas we like to visit in the community. I never rode a bike, but I would love to learn.
Exercising is good for our health and benefits the community also through improved air quality and reduced traffic congestion in the town. I've heard that the town is building a climate resilience center near Ramona Community Park. It's going to be a multi-use community resilience center. That could be the model for other communities. I can't wait to check it out and see how it brings our communities together. I think we've done a great job.
I can already see the stars shining again.
You're quite the poet.
Coming from you, that's a big compliment.
I'm glad we did this together. Hopefully, people will understand how they can reduce their impact and we can all adapt to a changing climate together.
Hey you, watching this with us. You're also part of this story now.
Visit our website to learn what people just like you are already doing to protect our community. Our small actions can make a lasting difference.